It's not difficult to create a route. For most companies, the best way to create a route will be to start with a spreadsheet of assets to be inspected. Here's a simple example with one plant, 3 areas within the plant. Within each area, there are multiple assets to be inspected. And finally, each asset has at least 2 inspection points. At every inspection point, we will capture a thermal image of the target. The first thing to do is to put everything into order that makes the most sense to perform the inspection. For this example, we will first inspect the water equipment main pump room, then the lift motor, and then finally the solar equipment. So we will put the asset list and inspection points in the most logical order. Notice for the first asset there are 3 inspection points. So the next thing we do is combine these inspection points into one row of the spreadsheet using commas to separate the inspection point values. So now the first asset looks like this. Now we do the same for the other 2 assets and remove excess rows. To create a route file from an Excel file, go to the routing menu, select Routes, and click New Route. Next, click on Import Asset List and select the Excel file you created and click Open. Now you need to map the columns if this is the first time that you have created a route with this format. If all the routes you create have the same format, you will only need to do this once. In this case, the main location is plant. The first level sublocation is area. Second and third level sublocations remain blank. Asset should be mapped to the asset column. Inspection point should point to the inspection point column. And device description is just device description. Now click Import. Now all you have to do is save the finished route. Now our route is ready to use by loading it into any FLIR second generation routing compatible product.